Welcome to this video on how to enter a resident complaint in eMuniManagement. Click on the Planning and Administration menu button. This invokes the planning submenus, which include Land Development Application, Zoning Hearing Application, Complaints and Zoning Violations, and Managed Land Development Applications. Click on the Complaints and Zoning Violations button. The Complaints and Violations form is displayed. The top portion of this form is for the complaint information. For our example, the complaint is about feral cats living behind 196 River Road. The first field we need to enter is the Complaint Related To field. Our options include street, parcel, and other. Other should be used in the rare case when there is no known location related to the complaint. Note that when you select this option, the property location, or UPI field, is grayed out. No data can be entered in this field. Since we know the street address, we could select street from this drop-down option and manually enter the remaining data. However, if we select parcel, we're given a search box where we can have the application autofill any known data. Here we can search by street address or the owner name. Since we know the address, we can type in all or part of that information and click the search icon. A single record is returned, and it's the one that we want, so we'll click the Get Info button. The application fills in the owner name and the remaining property information. We need to fill in the status field. For our example, we'll select Investigated. The description field is a required field, as indicated by the red asterisk at the end of the field name. Let's enter a description about the reported feral cats. The next section of the form is the complainant information. Enter the name of the person who filed the complaint. Enter the address of that person. Enter the type of complaint based on the workflow or best practices of your municipality. If you know the complainant's phone number, enter it in the phone field. This is not a required field, as indicated by a lack of red asterisk at the end of the field name. Click in the Date field to bring up the calendar icon. Select the date on which the complaint was filed. The calendar defaults to today's date. We'll select yesterday. If this is a zoning or property management violation, click the Yes Radio button and enter the Ordinance section in the Ordinance section field. For our demonstration, we'll select No. Now that we've entered all our information, click Submit. A resident complaint summary form is presented. If the information needs to be edited, click the Edit button. Since our information looks okay, we'll click Save. You'll receive a notification that the complaint has been successfully saved. The notification includes the complaint number and a link to be able to add complaint media. Since we investigated our complaint, we'll attach a photo here. We're presented with a complaint media form. Select the status for this media from the drop-down list. Select the date that the media was attached. Click the Choose File button and navigate to the location where your file is stored. Click the Save button. You'll receive a notification that your media has been successfully saved. Click OK. Your complaint entry is now complete. Thank you for watching this video on how to enter a resident complaint in eMuniManagement.